Why tighten your X when you can flapjacks and flex? In today's video. All right, guys, we're gonna talk a little bit about TitanX. For you guys that are in it, well, you already know what's up, so you probably don't even need to watch the video. But if you're thinking about getting into TitanX, we're about to drop some info before you make such a misinformed decision. Got some better plays out there for you today and going forward over the next couple months. So let's get into it. TitanX community. Guys, I have yet another reason to help you get out of TitanX and into something where you can make a little bit of gains, guys. And that is Flapjax. And now it's an even better deal because Coach, being the person behind it, is also giving training. Now, he's been training for years, or whatever the case is, and he has a promo out here. Yeah, check this out. Ready to flip your fitness game for 2025? You guys know you into those New Year's resolutions. And Coach got some stuff where, hey, if you don't knock it out and reach your goals, he'll give you coaching for 6 months for free. But, you know, I leave that up to Coach and you guys when you talk about it. But he say goodbye to excuses and hello to syrupy success with Get Fit with Flapjax. Man, that's a tongue twister right there, man. But check this out, guys. This is just extra incentive and motivation to dump a little bit of capital in. What's the main thing is this. Got that chart running up, and this, the time frame that has been live. We talking about less than a month, guys, and it is heading to the moon. Whereas TitanX, oh, I told you guys. I told you. You probably don't even need to look at this, you guys that are in it, because I'm sure you're checking the charts daily and crying daily and being like, man, I should have gotten out. Oh, what's going on with TitanX? Why they keep making me these promises and then not fulfilling them? Oh, dump some more Ethereum into it so I don't lose money. Hey, guys, I told you. And it's going to continue to plummet. Remember I talked about liquidity? Remember Drip Coach talked about liquidity? Well, here it is, guys. Well, you're low, getting lower and lower on liquidity. Now, in my last video, I think it dropped from 7 million, 5 million, whatever case it is. Go back, check the video, whatever case it is. But, you know, it's just getting worse and worse, guys. Worse and worse. That's on Pulse. I don't want to stay on Pulse. I just want to look at all of the TitanX stuff. Let's see here. Come on. What we got for TitanX? And see where all this money's going. TitanX is down as usual. All right, guys, you see it's at 3.6 million, right? So last time I think it was like at 5 million. So as I say, capital is being extracted. And if it's some of you guys that have waken up and like, let me get my money out while I can, kudos to you because you see the trend, you see where it's heading. Now they do have some money going into some other tokens, but check this out, guys, man, this is crazy. When you compare these other tokens in comparison to TitanX, they are down significantly, man. This is a bloodbath. So what good is it to have a token that's depreciating against the token that's depreciating against Ethereum? Man, you guys should wake up. There are many but better plays out there in the market for you. And to think that I had considered working with these guys, helping them out, and helping TitanX go to a different level, helping them have some additional streams of income to be able to support you guys. Well, that's off the table. Not interested. And I'm just out here warning you guys now that this is not a sustainable platform and it is doomed to destruction. But head on over to Flapjax, throw in about $20, $30, $40, copy some of this, and check out Drip Coach's offer here. Get fit with Flapjax and double up on it. You know, he does video consultations as well, and you might want to jump on that. And never forget about the Bitcoin, guys. I'm sure 90% of you DGens don't even consider Bitcoin because you look at the price and be like, oh, that's too expensive. I can't afford it. $92,000. All right, so you are putting yourself out of financial freedom. All right, all it takes is a small amount that you continue to dollar cost average into, and this wallet helps you even more. $45 in this wallet. Now it's at $240. Well, a little bit under that since the price has gone down, but $235, $36, $34, whatever case it is. But that's the principle of this wallet. And a $20 transfer to this wallet will put you in effect, right? So I'm not going to do anything with this wallet until 2029. And I'm sure by that time, this $45 deposit that I did make into it will probably be worth $1,000 or $2,000. No question about it. If not, for next year. All right, guys, I think that's all I got for you. Just a quick reminder to show you that, hey, there are some other plays to get into. Check out this Flapjax. It's still early, guys. And as you see, these green candles are going up. And we even talked about, you know, taking profits responsibly. People don't want to take profits when you see all these green candles. So get in now, guys, so that you'll be able to dump your little bags on somebody else later. Not a fair game, but it is a game that you can get in and win if you get in early. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.